Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Bechu here. So today we are making Nigerian rock buns. Sit back and enjoy this video. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're welcome. My name is Mommy Bichkum. So today we are making Nigerian rock buns as I said in the introduction video. So I will start by mixing all the dry ingredients, after which I will add other ingredients that are not dried. Okay, now let's mix the dried ingredients together. So this is my melted softened margarine. I'm not making zabara. Everything I use will be in the description box below, so you can check them out and the quantity I use them. Okay, so I'll be using my palms to rub the margarine into the flour until it becomes crumbly. After that, I'll be adding the flavor I'll be making use of into the milk. I'll be making use of vanilla extract flavor. So because of that, I'll be adding it into the milk. If you're making use of cinnamon or nutmeg, add it into the flour while adding or mixing the dry ingredients. Okay, now I'm going to break in my egg. I'm making use of just one egg for this recipe, and that's just it. I'm going to mix it with a spatula, after which I'll start adding the milk. Remember, you can make use of water, not milk, for your rock buns. The only reason I'm making use of milk is because I want a very rich rock buns. This kind of rock buns I'm making, when you touch the back, the outer part of the rock buns is like, it feels like a hardened cake, not just a rock buns. It's so delicious, it's so nice. So I'm going to use my hands to bring everything together. I'm not kneading this bun dough. I'm only bringing it together to bring all the remaining particles into the dough to make it to make the texture and the mixture perfect. I'm going to cover this dough to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes while I clear here and heat the oil. The Nigerian rock buns or any kind of buns is fried in a very large quantity of oil, that is deep fried. Don't shallow fry it. The buns need to be covered with the oil while frying it. So our dough is ready. Let me start dropping it in the oil. Make sure your oil is not overheated, or heat your oil on medium low flame. I will start dropping in the buns dough into the hot oil. You can give your buns any shape you want, but it's usually a spherical round shape. Make sure your oil is not too hot so that the oil is not going to fry the buns immediately it hits it without cooking the inside. While frying, don't overcrowd your pan or anything you are frying it in. Put a little quantity at a time. You can use skewer to flip these Nigerian buns while it's frying. This helps you know when the other side is being over brown or burning. So our buns is ready. Look at how beautiful the color is. It has turned golden brown. Now I'm going to take it off the heat. I'll be showing you the inside in a bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and leave a comment for us to tell us a job well done in the comment section. Okay, this Nigeria buns is so delicious. Like, I can't stop praising it because the outer part feels like a hardened cake instead of a very hard buns. It's so delicious, it's so crumbly, it's so tasty. So we have come to the end of today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.